3 tips to make forming and understanding questions a lot easier. Ibrahim, anytime you have how followed by an adjective in English, it's going to be céicomh and again followed by that adjective in Irish. How long will it take? Céicomh fada a hógí sé. And how difficult is it? Céicomh deacair agus atá sé. Ibre though, be careful and make sure to know the differences in question words between different dialects. So while cin fá might be why in Standard Irish, if you get on to Munster, you're more likely to hear conahave for why. Let's say in Connacht you might not hear conas as much, but instead cin cui for house, such as cin cui ultu. And then in Ulster, you might have other ones such as cin dói, or cajé mar for how, cajé mar tátu, how are you, and cajé by itself for what. So get to know the differences in the question words between different dialects. Agus ibre trí is not to overcomplicate is, or in other words, copula sentences in questions. All you're ever going to do, if it's a sentence with is change the is into on to make it into a question. So if I have something like is Pelador A, he's a footballer, to make that into a question, I just say on Pelador A. I don't have to worry about the order, changing everything else. All I do is change the is or the but or whatever it might be into the equivalent question word, whether that's on or air, depending on the tense. La hawadní smó díorcha sula seo, be the wall patreon.com/learnirishonline.